Aqara Door and Window Sensor. The Aqara Door and Window Sensor detects the open and closed status of doors and windows. It consists of door and window sensor and a magnet. It detects the opening and closing status of doors and windows through the proximity of the door and window sensor and the magnet. Remove the Installation tab. Open Aqara Home app. Tap Home and then tap Plus to enter Add Accessory page. Select Aqara Door and Window Sensor if the hub makes voice prompts
Ready to connect to child devices.
Long press the Reset button for 3 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release. When you hear the hub voice prompt,
Child device connected,
then the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the Reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed,
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Install the accessory to door and window. Open the Aqara Home app and go to the accessory list page. Single press the Reset button on the accessory. The hub will prompt
Normal link confirmed.
In the app, the corresponding accessory icon will flash, confirming the match between the actual accessory and the corresponding accessory in the app. Prepare a CR1632 battery. Apply a light force to tilt open the upper cover of the door and window sensor. Remove the existing battery by hand. Place the new button cell battery in the battery slot. Please make sure that the positive side of the battery should face upwards. Align the top cover of the door and window sensor with the battery cover and press firmly to fasten the battery cover to the door and window sensor. The battery cover is successfully attached.